So today, we will learn about returning a value from a function. In JavaScript, function can do more than just execute code. They can also return a value back to the caller. Let me show you how. Here's a simple example. Say, we have a function called greet that shows hello world message in the console. We define our function with a function keyword followed by the function name. Inside the curly braces, we use the return keyword followed by the value we want to return. In our case, hello world. Now, when we call our greet function inside the console, it will return the result back to us. The best part of using return statement is, it allows us to reuse that value elsewhere in our code, making our function even more powerful. For example, in alert, or we can even store them in the variable. Now, let's check them in action. In the previous session, we created a function generate random number, which generates random number for us and log them in the console. When you call the function 4 times, it only generates 4 different random number in the console. Now, let's see what happened when we use the return statement. I will remove this console log, and instead, I will add return. I want to return random number, so I will add them over here. Now, if you want to generate random number in console, you can use console.log, and you can call the function generate random number. Likewise, if you want to show them in alert, you can use alert and call the function. You can also store the function in a variable, so I will add a variable generated random number and assign a function generate random number. Check the preview and you can see the random number is generated in the console, in the alert box, as well as it is stored in the newly created variable generated random number. One thing to remember over here, once a return statement is encountered, the function immediately exits. Any code written after the return statement will be unreachable and will not be executed. For example, let me add alert hello world. Let me also remove this 2 line of code. If I save the change and refresh the browser, I can only see the random number is generated in the console, but I can't see any alert box over here. It is also possible to add multiple return statements. To do that, we need to apply conditional statement. So let me remove this alert. Then after the random number, I will add the if statement. Let me also add the else statement as well. Inside the condition, let me add if the random number is less than or equal to 10, return the string value low. Otherwise, return the string value high. I also don't need to return this random number, so let me remove this code. Once done, check the preview, and you can see low over here. Let me refresh multiple times, and it also shows high. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will learn the third topic, function parameter and argument. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.